What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Good morning to each and every one of us. Without wasting much of your time, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin right here. So, nothing really too much for us to talk about right here. The fundamentals are still the same. We're most likely going to be having an FOMC meeting today, and with the look of things, the market has already kind of priced in that during the FOMC meeting today, nothing will change in terms of them cutting the rates or not. Things will just remain the same. So that is definitely how things have been. So without even wasting much of your time right here, you could see that majorly we have broken major resistance right here. I want to use the 4 hours time frame. We've broken sorry, we didn't break a major resistance. We got rejected from a major resistance after so many bounce and respect on this particular support or trend line right here. You could see we couldn't break above this major resistance at $78,000 or $78,900 level, or should I say $79,000. We've gotten rejected. So right here, we've been getting lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So right now, I would say all we need right now to do is to either stay above this level, which I will have to use this other chart right here as a reference. So you could see right here, we are mostly retesting a major resistance. I made it known to us in my previous video that we could either drop all the way down to 75,000, find support before riding all the way above $77,400. You could see it clearly right here that we got rejected from this major support at 77,000. We retested, we dropped further after getting a confirmation candle here. So you can see right here, we're most likely retesting it once more. So with the look of things right here, it's either we break into this resistance at $77,400, find support around here, then rally much higher after breaking out, or we are most likely going to get rejected from this level, or whereby we end up getting rejected from 77,300 all the way down to $75,000. So we are still in this skeptical level whereby we don't even know where the market will be heading from here. And with the look of things right here, I think the best thing to do right now is wait for a breakout. You don't want to long in at a particular resistance. It's best you just sit on your hands and wait for a major breakout with confirmation, not a fake out. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting. We need from the 4 hours candle time frame, we definitely need 2 major green candles. First candle signaling a retest, and the second candle signaling confirmation for us to head higher. So I think that is just definitely what we need right now. And you could see we have not gotten that since we've been breaking out of this resistance at 77,400. We've just been breaking out, dropping here. We have not gotten a major confirmation candle at all. So I think that is definitely what we need to consider right now. Definitely be here to let us know when that confirmation candle has been done. So majorly looking at this other chart here, nothing really much other than the fact that we've broken below major resistance right here, or major supports right here. We got rejected from a major resistance, so nothing too serious in terms of what I'll be using as signal. You could see right here that the USDT dominance actually broke out of this major resistance right here at 7.45%. It broke out, and you could see after the breakout that we had, we have been rallying, but it seems we literally got rejected from this EMA right here. I think this is definitely going to be the 200 4 hours EMA. You could see right here we got rejected from there, and you could see us either about to find support around this level of resistance, which is now acting as support again at 7.438. It's either we find support around here and rally much higher, or we are most likely going to get rejected from here and head even lower from here. So it's either we get rejected from here, we head lower, retest and drop lower, which will definitely make the risk on assets rally. But in as much as we're going to be finding support around here and rally much higher from there, risk on assets will definitely keep on dumping. So with the look of things right here, the US crude oil right here is at a level of resistance. If you've been following my videos and you've been longing, or you've been following my analysis and you've been, trading according to what I'm analyzing, you will definitely see that if you had long crude oil, you will definitely be at a very massive profit right here, because I made it known to us that we are most likely going to find support around here at $98 before running all the way into 103 $4, because that is definitely going to be where our major resistance is going to be at. So right now it's either we get to major move whereby we end up dropping all the way down to $100.60, finding support around there, then rallying much higher, breaking above $103 before rallying much higher. Then all we definitely need to see, because the moment we are getting a move like this, we are most likely going to be bearish. Risk on assets will most likely be bearish. So it's best we probably break below this major support right here. Once we're able to break below this major support right here, and we retest and get a good confirmation from here, I think we are most likely going to see the risk on assets rallying massively from here. So I think that just basically it. In terms of the S&P 500, nothing too much for us to take note of here, other than the fact that the S&P 500 is most likely below, it's most likely going to be crashing lower. With the look of things, it's looking like it's going to be heading even much lower. So this is definitely something we need to keep our eyes on, because the moment we see the S&P 500 getting rejected from this major resistance at 7,183 all the way down to 7,107, we are most likely going to see risk on assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum also dropping lower. So I think the best thing we need to see from the S&P 500 is the S&P 500 finding support around this level at 7,168 and running much higher from here. This is definitely what we need from the S&P 500. So I think that is definitely all I have to say for now. The market right now is most likely looking like it's either we break out or not. So this is more of a skeptical kind of state or level for Bitcoin right now. I can't really say if we're going to break out or not. So I think we are most likely going to consolidate until the FOMC meeting today. So I think that just basically it. Nothing too serious. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.